Bimbo Ademoye said something, and I want you to listen. You can be made once you fixed your heart and determined to. Dear young people around the world, whether you have your both parents raise you or not, always be determined to make a difference. Be the better version of you.
Hello, God. Let's talk. Let us have a conversation. Let us reason. Sheboni wano ba woman here. Asoro matasi. Kabiyesi Olódùmarè. Despite all your names, Kiniwe Yajuda. Èmi ni má ṣe bẹ̀rù. You're unchangeable changer. The one who changes things but never changes. You say seek and you will find. Knock and you shall open. Orúkún mi méjèèjì ni mo fi kún ẹ̀sìn láàárọ̀. Àdúrà lálẹ́ kí n tó lọ sùn. Ìgbà wo ló fẹ́ dá mi lóhùn? When do you want to answer me? When do you want to answer me, O Lord?
Greetings to you all wherever you are watching me from. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I always say this in my mother language. To be everybody, be everybody. Today I'm here to celebrate one special individual in the movie industry. So talented, so funny. And I was talking about Bimbo Ademoye. Bimbo Ademoye has been so amazing personality in the movie industry, and I would like to take you through some of the things you probably don't know about Bimbo Ademoye. And Bimbo Ademoye has been somebody that normally do a lot of things that we normally see on our screen. So firstly, Bimbo Ademoye was brought up in a Bute Meta, and she has a sister that she has a sister, an elder sister. No, and one thing about Bimbo Ademoye is that what I want you to understand is that she was brought up by her father only. She said after 2 years, she was giving birth to, her mother left her, and it was her father that brought her and her sister up. And look at it today, see how everything is going from Bimbo Ademoye. And I want you ladies or female watching this video right now to pick out something meaningful from Bimbo Ademoye's life. Let's check the countdown, how he started her journey, that she never give up, and everything about Bimbo Ademoye has been something source of inspiration, if you understand what I'm trying to say. And once upon a time, Bimbo Ademoye said something that fame was celebrity. Fame has blessed her. To be honest, she said it. Fame has blessed me to be honest. I have been able to receive favor from people. Yet I have managed to stay grounded and not let the fame get into my head. I don't see myself as famous, as a famous person. I don't even like the word celebrity. I prefer being referred as a public figure. That is one coming from Bimbo. Let me tell you this about Bimbo Ademoye. Believe in yourself and keep your head high. Moreover, whatever you find your hands to do it well. He also said once upon a time that she did not want a big elaborate wedding. She wants small wedding. And for you that are thinking about big wedding or elaborate wedding, okay, I don't know, you may have your own decision on about this, but Bimbo Ademoye said he doesn't like big wedding and stuff like that. So another thing about Bimbo Ademoye is that she's somebody that plays with people. She said that she turned her little funny life ways to what she becomes today. That is part of her till now. And also, so many people doubt where her mother could be and where she is right now. And Bimbo Ademoye said her mother stayed 20 minutes away from her. That she normally take responsibility on her mother by paying the rent and do every other stuff for her mother, but she will never forget her father. Her father has been amazing supporter of her. Father has always do the necessary things that no one has ever done in her life. So that is why Bimbo Ademoye will always take her father first in everything when it comes to family matters.
Father, I'm sorry, I didn't mean it that way. What I'm just saying is that the ration of ugly men to find men should be higher.
Maybe you should just stop lusting after men.
Father, you think I've not tried? You think Dr. Zion have not tried? I've changed jobs, I've moved houses, but this thing continues to follow me. These fine men come after.
Bimbo has continued to show her fans that she is doing well in life by posting stunning pictures on her social media pages. She has a mentor named Uduka Ishong. Yes, Uduka Usong. Identify people that can play an important role in your life. Build a good relationship with them. That's it. Build a good relationship with people that you know they can add to your life, not just your life. Work with people that will really, really help you to do some things. And no matter what you become in life, try to strive to get to the top. Bimbo Ademoye has been a source of inspiration to so many people. Ó jẹ́ ènìyàn tó wà extraordinary. So many things that I cannot say it all about Bimbo Ademoye. Gbogbo ìgbà ló fi máa ń do pé that sometimes that he encounters some copyright issue and he fights the fight to the end. And eventually she won that battle because she was not herself when that issue came up, but at last she promised herself that she will overcome, and she overcome. She even celebrated. And some times ago, Bimbo Ademoye also said she wants to help a particular woman with IVF. If I'm not mistaken, I stand to be corrected. That maybe the woman is not enough to help herself, but Bimbo Ademoye said she said she wants to help the woman. So many things that this celebrity actress, public figure, has done so far in the movie industry. Check most of our movies. We know that it's all about love, relationship, and the likes. And there's something about her title when it comes to movie. She always stand out about that. And I like her creativity. When it comes to English language, she can speak it well. Yoruba, if you watch Anikulapo, you understand that Bimbo Ademoye can speak that language very well. So when Bimbo Ademoye in the industry, she's an exceptional person. Hardworking person. She's somebody that she is committed to what she's doing. She concentrates on her movie career so much. So I will be leaving you with some clips about Bimbo Ademoye. Bimbo Ademoye.
What is it? Haven't you done enough? I said, what is it? Haven't you done enough? The pain, the torment, the torture. The pain, the torment, the torture. Is it not enough? I said, what is it? Haven't you done enough? What is it? Haven't you done enough? Come on, the pain, the torment, the torture. The pain, the torment, the torture. Take my life. Beats by life.
Let us talk about his marriage life. Bimbo Ademoye, has been dragged, has been married, and having a biological child. But all those seems not to be true. Although several names have been linked to romantic in the past, there is no concrete evidence or confirmation to support these claims. Bimbo Ademoye said something, and I want you to listen. You can be made once you fixed your heart and determined to. She started early to pursue her dreams and do things that she wanted to do. And now she's made. Dear young people around the world, whether you have your both parents raise you or not, always be determined to make a difference. Be the better version of you. That is from Bimbo Ademoye.
Not my fault, eh? On a normal day, I'm a very good girl.
Okay, so what happens on the abnormal days?
I fornicate. But it's his fault. Father, it's his fault. The species of men that he creates these days. They're from the marine kingdom. One man like this, only one man. Fine face, chiseled abs, broad shoulder, beard gang, hard nipple, fine face. Father, one smile like this, daughter of Zion above pound. Sorry, Father.
So now it's God's fault?
No.
She has always been a good person in your Danny. And so many things, if you watch carefully, you will see some things you can pick up from her life. Bimbo Ademoye. We use this to celebrate the Women's Day. And I say happy Women's Day to every one of you out there. So if this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment about Bimbo Ademoye. Till next time, stay blessed. ọ̀tẹ̀ ló ń jẹ́ ìlú ń pè ọ́ kò sẹ́ni tí ò lórúkọ tiẹ̀ àti wípé ọmọ kì í gọ̀ títí sẹ́ẹ̀ kó gbàgbé orúkọ ara rẹ̀ àfin tèmi ò nílò ìdánimọ̀ lọ́jà tó bá dọ́jà báyìí wọ́n á mọ̀ bó dọ́jà ni èmi tí ń tòótọ́ Samuel Owóyẹmí fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ láyé lórúkọ mi fẹ́lẹ́ ní gbogbo ìyẹn mọ̀ mí sí èmi náà kọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba òkè ló fún mi ṣe ní gbogbo ìgbà.